brilliant student at Jamiat Sunnah Mirpur Dhaka, Anas. Anas will share a few thoughts about himself and our madrasa. Anas, come fast to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anas. I am from Chatpur. I study in class 12 Jamiatul Sunnah Darul Ulum Mirpur Dhaka. I love my madrasa. My teachers are very kind and helpful. They teach us with care. Our principal Allama Mufti Azizur Rahman Al Madani is not only a visionary leader but also a great source of inspiration for us. I learn Islamic college and general education here. I am a very happy. Please pray for me. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.
Everyone say, MashaAllah.